dear buyer who is watching this video now. Welcome to our shop, Foshan MIC Medical Technology Co. Limited. Today we are going to talk about our main product. Let's take a look. 3-litre oxygen concentrator. This product has whole new suspension technology oil-free compressor, stable oxygen generation, LED display screen, real-time display of oxygen concentration, rotate to adjust oxygen flow, 0.5 to 3 litre can adjustable, can meet different demands of oxygen therapy, oxygen concentration high up to 96%, support multiple modes of oxygen intake, nebulization is optional function, can assisting drug direct to the affected part, 5 layers noise reduction technology, running noise is only 38 dB, silent care for your family. Thank you support, wish you a happy